If you have a client and it's a children's author and they want to hire your services to redo their brand and their website and their social media, what primary category would you go towards as your primary typeface? Would you go sans serif? Would you go serif? Or would you choose some sort of display style font? This is where we can combine different types of fonts and font families. We can combine complementary fonts, but there's mixing and matching that doesn't work. So we're going sans serif with some sort of display font for a heading. So right up here, you can see combining headings and body copy of the same size creates a monotonous reading experience. This is not a good way of having a heading and body copy. You don't know the difference between the two. And especially if you had a large chunk of text on an about page or some sort of page offering your services or explaining the different offerings for the children's publisher client that we just talked about, we've got all sorts of text on the page, so we need to format it. So this would be a really monotonous reading experience, so not a good idea. This is more of what we come to expect, using a slightly larger font for headings than the body, which will create visual hierarchy, making content a lot easier to read. So this is nicer.